A federal judge in East Texas declared a mistrial in the case involving a controversial guardrail system manufactured by Trinity Industries of Dallas.
Fox 4 investigative reporter Becky Oliver has been covering the story and has the update.
The $219 million guardrail case was entering its fifth day in Marshall, Texas.
Based on procedures and approach.
When Judge Rodney Gilstrap sent the jury home, the judge told them the case had been replete with errors, gamesmanship, inappropriate conduct, and matters that should not be part of a trial. The whistleblower case was filed back in 2012 against Trinity Industries of Dallas.
The energy is absorbed as that terminal comes down through here, flattening the W-beam.
Josh Harmon accuses the company of making changes to this guardrail end terminal and failing to disclose those changes to the Federal Highway Administration.
And it just wadded it up.
Harmon alleges the changes caused the system to lock up and the guardrail can impale a vehicle. But Trinity denies the allegations, testifying the safety device has been successfully crash tested and continues to be accepted by the feds to be out on the U.S. highways. Today, Judge Gilstrap told the jury there were serious issues regarding whether or not the president of Trinity Highway Products intentionally attempted to intimidate a witness from appearing in this case. And he said he believes the plaintiff or whistleblower took steps to hide this witness and unfairly spring this witness on the defendant. He said none of the allegations remain proven beyond a doubt, but they are extremely serious and extremely prejudicial. The judge also told the jury he had to sanction both the plaintiff and the Texas A&M Transportation Institute, which invented the guardrail end terminal.
Now, mistrial does not mean that the case is over. It's just over for this jury. The judge says that he will address the problems and retry the case as early as this fall with substantially the same witnesses and the same evidence. We'll keep you posted. Becky Oliver, Fox 4 News.